The core of mentalism. How can mentalism help you? How can this concept with a funny name enable you to live the life you've always wanted to live? Well, as the term implies, mentalism is all about your mind. Believe it or not, your mind is extremely powerful. It is the metaphysical product of the physical actions of your brain. It exists above and beyond your brain. Don't think this is just a physical thing. Don't think that your mind is just a byproduct of your brain's physical processes. It's more than that. Mentalism is all about helping people understand how their thoughts impact their lives. With that understanding in place, mentalism helps people live the lives they want by teaching them to change the only thing they can fully control in this universe. Let me be clear. There is one thing that you can fully control: your mind. Mentalism helps you live the life you always wanted to live by helping you fully control your thoughts. Change your thoughts, and you change your life. Viewed from this perspective, mentalism is all about taking control of your life. If you are in any way unhappy, frustrated, or feeling stuck in any area of your life, mentalism can help you make important changes. Mentalism can help you become more content, fulfilled, and yes, happy. But none of this will be possible if you don't let mentalism help you achieve one thing that you obviously are struggling with. Again, if you're taking this training, it means that at least one part of your life isn't exactly a bed of roses. Maybe you have many areas of your life that you're struggling with. Still, for mentalism to help you, you have to be willing to take ownership of your life. This is crucial. This means that you have to let go of blaming other people or circumstances beyond your control for whatever you're struggling with. This also means moving on from the past. I understand that you may have had a difficult past. Maybe you are a survivor of abuse. Maybe you made bad decisions in the past and you're feeling guilty about them. Maybe there are certain people around you that create a hostile or toxic environment that really eats away at your self-esteem and motivation. Taking ownership means letting go of all that and focusing instead on what you can control. Ultimately, when all the dust is settled in our lives, there is really only one thing we control, and that is our thoughts. This is mentalism's bedrock principle. Control your thoughts, and you control your life. How mentalism works. Mentalism is actually made up of 5 different beliefs. You have to believe in these principles, otherwise it's not going to work for you. Here they are in short order. Principle number 1, all stimuli are neutral. Principle number 2, change your mental filters. Principle number 3, change your mental habits. Principle number 4, change your emotional response habits. Principle number 5, change your reality through changed actions. All of these flow into each other and are dependent on each other. For mentalism to create the kind of change you have been dreaming of in your life, you have to believe in all these principles and let them work in your life. This is crucial because if you don't believe any of those principles, then mentalism is not going to work for you. After all, it's all about thought ownership. Unfortunately, if you disavow this process, it would be very hard for you to take ownership of your thoughts because in the back of your mind, you believe that it doesn't work, that you're wasting your time, or this is just a bunch of hocus pocus. This leads me to a very important point that can undermine the effectiveness of mentalism.